Hello and welcome back to another episode of 2 Forward 5 Back Plays Final Fantasy XVI. In the last episode, we just got Garuda's abilities, we handed Benedicta her butt cheeks, and then she turned into a giant, angry bird. So now we're gonna go deal with that.
Yep, so it's gonna be big old cutscene after cutscene.
Oh, there'll be one or two fights in there. Maybe. Eye of the Tempest.
Pretty sure the place was not called that before now.
Well, yeah. Oh, poor Torgo's like, I can't cover my face.
Wait. Oh.
There he is. That's some... That dirty, rotten, flaming, cloaked jerk.
The man who killed my brother. Are you absolutely certain?
He looked like you.
I've seen him every night for the past
Did you see the
30
jawline? It looked a lot like you.
Watched as the flames of his icon took Joshua. Down!
And that was the end of Sid.
I'm fine.
And so's Torgo. Don't worry about
Thank God
us.
Torgo's okay.
Go summon
You've been
Ifrit or
waiting
some
for
shit.
this. Go! Sid!
I can't do this without you.
Forgive me.
West Vengeance is so sweet.
I need to drink vengeance.
Even if it's on myself.
Yeah. Awakening. I wonder what that can be implying.
Oh man, I'm gonna get him so bad. Okay, he's really fast.
Where did he go?
With your run speed, I don't think you'll be getting him anytime soon.
Oh, there he is again.
Oh,
Oh, he's in the way.
sorry, I had to.
I'm not hearing you, Garuda.
Yeah, see, Clive is just like, you were in the way.
Move aside, lady. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I was like, wait, did you actually move?
You won't stop me, Garuda!
You annoying chicken! Get out of here!
She's toying with me.
Just like slaps you. Ow! Jeez, Garuda.
Absolutely obliterates her just to get to him.
Yeah.
Alright!
Where is he?
I clipped, and I skid you!
Where is he? I always just think that they just tie such good music to these scenes. Like, honestly, that team, just like, it feels
Oh
it feels
yeah,
good.
if that cliff isn't gonna take you down, I will.
Yeah. Come here, you son of a bitch!
Takes off
You
hood.
called me! Why?
I'm you.
Wrong number!
I'm thou, and thou art I.
Oh, that's whoa.
We're a happy family.
And thus he was killed.
Whee! I
Yeah.
can fly now. Alright, air combat.
Good luck.
I was ready for this.
I was born for this. Get the thing off of me! Oh man, this music's awesome. Intensely good. Wow, she's
Time to die, bird!
menacing looking.
Where is he? Where is the dominant?
Yeah, aerial combat. Okay. Oh. Getting under them legs. Oh. Ooh. Good. Oh, okay. You gotta really look at those big old hitboxes. Oh, and then this is where it's like, hey, try this. Nice.
Get over here!
Really pulling her down. might have to untarget her head so that you can hit her leg or something. Because she's so big. Good stagger, good stagger. Oh, that was good damage. So actually, when you hit them, when you stagger them, the counter increases for your damage multiplier up to 1.5. So if you use your Phoenix combo towards the end of it, it'll probably do even more damage. So as you build it up to 1.5 times damage.
You think that's gonna scare me?
What? Maybe. Pepper her with fire. I just really want to be in the audience when they were recording these soundtracks with these epic intense choruses. Did you pop a high push? Oh. Ah, you remembered.
Get over here!
Man, she's already at a third health. Tornado! Oof. You know, you are just a man with a sword here, yeesh. Can I get a little more, see how it says 1.2, so as you build it up. Now it's 1.4, now it's 1.5. Cinematic kill!
I didn't want to kill you. Fly me to him.
Yeah. Where is he? How many times are you gonna stab her in the back? Clash! Yeah.
Yeah, actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Butchering. It's exactly what I want. It's literally standing in my way.
Nice. Garuda Sling.
Literally only in my way.
55 sharp fangs. Alright, where the hell did that freaking fire icon go?
Now the nuisance is taken care of.
Yeah. Just only slightly winded. Alright, where the heck did he... He's just hanging off. I've been here the whole time.
God damn it. Oh, I just cut that off.
Yeah. And I just stabbed that brain.
A monster. And I will not
Breathe. Dead.
let you stand in my way!
We're calling in some backup.
Thanks for spoiling it.
Ooh. It's not Ifrit. it's the Moogle King.
Yeah, it's something.
Oh, hell.
Oh wait, I was really high up.
Oh yeah, that was being lifted by the tornado. Now we're cooking with fire, literally.
Clive!
He exploded.
I don't think he can hear you.
My God, he's gone nuclear.
Clive isn't here right now. This is different. I'm happy to take a message. Damn, he looks good.
Well, it just looks good because it's just Bahamut on the body, to the head.
Bahamut looks really good too. All right, here we go. Kaiju battle. You got all that?
Oh, okay.
You gotta hold. You have to like hold circle to do that charge. Yeah. Woo! Good. Just take that from her. There you go. Oh yeah. This landscape will be torn asunder. Oh. Okay. Okay. Just put up a fight. Okay. Okay, she is really just handing you your butt. Oh, there we go. Get them licks in. Oh my god. Oh, good follow. Cutscene battle. Hell yeah. Tornado. Dodge. Oh, good cancel out. That is some good combat. Boy, this music is ridiculously epic.
It's really, really exciting one that you can just beat down on giant monster.
This reminds me of the original God of War. Like when, spoiler alert for a like 20-year-old game, whatever it is, when Kratos turns huge and fights Ares.
Yeah.
Yeah, it reminds me of that. Alright, end of spoiler. Throw it back at her. You show her who the icon be in this house.
I missed.
Oh. There we go. What are you doing? Dodge it! Oh. Oh. Tear her wings off.
Okay.
Good dodging. Boy, it's a good thing. It's a good thing we recorded the game sound on a different track, because this volume might need to be brought down a little bit. It's so intense. Oh my god! Good thing there are these rocks here.
All right, hunt her down.
I'm Ifrit and I'm hungry.
I guess I can fly too.
You can jump really hard like the Hulk. She literally has machine guns. You got nice claws.
Ooh. Ooh, the frames are dying from this.
I hope the recording comes out alright. How'd you know it was gonna be square?
It would be really funny watching just missing every single one of the cutscenes.
Yeah.
It just, would make the game longer. I didn't need that arm.
Jeez.
It don't matter.
I can just grow another one.
Hellfire.
I'll give you something to hurt. Wow, Jesus. Oh, I'm sure she didn't need that leg.
Yeah.
Really, just lay it into her, huh?
Oh. Well, it goes by so many times.
If it's just, Clive's just like, this feels familiar. Wait a second. Come back here.
Hey, see, now this is the satisfying beatdown you want to see in a game.
That's fine. I don't need that.
Just absolutely dogging the hell out of your boss.
Incinerate! Oh, yeah. You said you wanted fried chicken, right?
Yep.
Well, this is your fried chicken here. Hellfire. Whew. Now that is how you do an icon fight.
And just enough for one level up. Okay, now you two.
Wow. And a wind shard. Yeah, I think they just did icon fights way better in this one than they did 15. Like 15, you just jump around in the air for like.
Well, I mean,
30
icon
minutes.
fight was fine. It was just everything that led up to it was really.
Yeah, let down.
So, and then like I mean the thing they did was just a big old cinematic beatdown to the death.
Control it, Clive!
Nope. Nope. Nope.
It's you, isn't it, Clive? Stop this! Now!
Well, looks like I'm gonna have to. Get it down to my cells. I'm gonna have to teach you how to icon, boy.
You lost the Garuda. What can you do against me? Man, you still got a huge forehead.
He wouldn't be Ramu without a big forehead and a staff.
I said stop!
Oh, you don't have. Oh wait, I see
He
your
doesn't have
foot.
feet, yeah.
All right, time for the judgment.
Yarr. You probably could have hit him with a bigger one. I think that wasn't big enough. He's got his wizard boots, his wizard greaves on.
You're talking about shoeless.
No, he had the greaves. We'll pause and bring it back on the thing so you can see.
Too nice is your problem.
What? You literally burned Garuda
I mean,
with fire.
he got control.
Bloody mess, this.
And Sid had to like sacrifice a freaking lung.
Oh, Clive.
Oh.
You're a Kinslayer,
Sorry,
Kingslayer, and also an Icon
The
Slayer.
ghost you've been chasing
Sorry, Dad,
was
bro.
inside you all along.
Torgo's like, I knew the whole time.
I'll be damned if I know what that means.
Hello, hello.
What do we have here? Oh, shit.
Man, she survived that. It's stupid. we burned her so good.
Right. If it cooked her. Yeah, I think
No, you can't die. Everyone really liked you.
a little too much.
Why? Why did you have to listen to him?
Oh, Sid.
Benner,
Oh, Sid.
this can't be what you wanted, can it?
Oh, God, the music just really sets the mood, too.
And we're definitely unsetting it now.
Oh, you can see the pain in his face. I don't know why he didn't, like, take her and bury her.
Got other more important thing to do. Also, she's
Like,
like the
yeah.
most hated person
True.
around.
Gotta drag Clive's butt cheeks all the way back to them.
Okay,
Oh,
this is just happening.
This is sometime later. Who the hell are these people? Hellenist Tor, the Holy Empire of Samurai.
His Majesty!
Oh, Thor is here? Or was it Odin?
Yeah.
Like,
King is bold, or desperate.
what?
He rides!
Were you engaging personally, Your Highness? Of course.
I just like
Get my ring
Yeah.
and roses. Not like that, sir. Damn it.
Gregor's breath fill your wings.
Who's Gregor? This should be Leviathan, right?
Bahamut.
Oh, really? This guy's Bahamut?
Yeah.
Alright. It's really weird. You got Odin and Bahamut.
I like all these guys like, yeah, he's here to... Oh, God!
It's Muhammad! The prince is with us!
Not even the king, it's the prince.
Right, because Bahamut is with the Empire, and
Oh,
Odin
damn.
is
I can't wait to kill these guys.
Yeah. And Odin's with the royal place.
Oh, you don't have hands.
Right. He's got too many wings.
Killing spree.
Yeah! Oh, I got disintegrated. That horse has an extra pair of front legs.
I'm sorry to say that Bahamut just looks like the Dragoon. Or no, Panther Dragoon. Really? That was just it?
Yeah, I mean, they got still got men on them.
What the heck was that? They just love to have each other and then walk away?
It's exhausting.
Reform the cohorts. At once.
God, this is a good-looking cutscene, though. So Odin is the guy Bernard that Benedicta was sleeping with.
Your Highness.
Oh.
Yeah.
They actually did have chops.
Mm-hmm.
Saboteurs.
Saboteur.
Their attacks are frequent and widespread, even in the holy capital.
The capital. What of my father? Is
His
he...
radiance is safe,
Oh, thank goodness.
but he has ordered the city guard strengthened. We can expect no reinforcements.
That is of no matter. The Emperor's safety is paramount.
Man, your
I
shoe.
shall deal with our enemies here.
Gotta throw this back first.
All of them.
Hell.
This guy's a
Yeah.
square that I'm gonna have to definitely take down for that Bahamut.
I mean, there was like 8 slots for icons, right? I don't think Clive was naked when Sid brought him back, so...
I mean, yeah, why did they take his shirt off? Rip his pants.
Yeah, like... Wait, why am I naked?
I killed Joshua.
Enough self-loathing there.
Like, you just embarrass me, Sid? What the heck?
No, my punishment's not over.
You're awake.
I don't know why we undressed you, but
You're just
I
full
found
of
your clothes.
surprises. First that trick with Garuda, then whatever the hell that other thing was. Didn't know you had it in you.
Do it.
Hey?
Bang us a mash.
It was me. I killed him. I killed Joshua. I killed them all. I'm a monster. And I deserve to die. So end it. End it now. Please. Please. Ah!
good start. Another.
Asking us to strip you was one thing.
I can take you.
No, I don't think I
That's
asked you
what
guys
you
to do
want.
that.
But first, I thought I'd give you the benefit of my timeless
Oh,
wisdom.
gee, no joke about the pants. They
No,
really
yeah,
just
like straight up.
stripped him.
Yeah.
He had armor on.
Yeah.
To me, you see, that since you're still breathing, you might as well make yourself useful. Get dressed. Pretty as you are, you're not my type.
Then why'd you strip it naked, bro? I don't get it. Like,
I'll see you in the hole.
I'm not even clean. It wasn't even for, like, the purpose of cleaning me. It doesn't make any sense. Why am I naked? Whew. Didn't even clean my armor. I think it's the same state it was when they dragged me in
They
here.
gave me my silly sword again.
Yeah, what the heck? Gotta go figure out what's going on here.
Well, now what am I supposed to do?
going to do now?
You see the Moogles on the side, like, that was us. Like, damn Moogles.
What am I going to do? I no longer have vengeance.
Well, you're gonna feel guilty. Now you're gonna be driven by guilt. Mm-hmm.
May as well hear what he has to say.
Woo! Now I'm out again. Wee! I have icon powers. La-di-da. Ooh.
Back
Don't
to
go
the
making
stutter.
me throw you back in there now, eh?
Oh, yes,
What?
please,
Wait,
sir.
Were
yes,
you the
sailor.
one who made me naked? Alright, we have just enough time to see what Sid has to say after that.
Ooh, Sid. Ooh.
Finally crawled out of the crypt, eh? You look like it. Although I thank you for doing us the courtesy of
Once
covering up.
again, I did not go in there naked.
Oh, still have a bit of fight left in you? Then listen. I've arranged a meeting with Gav. In case you've forgotten, you're the one he's been putting his nose to work for.
Oh, yeah.
For nothing.
Just listen. While you've been relaxing in your cell, Gav's been busy sniffing out your
Relaxing?
dominance.
You had me
According to his
strapped
last
to a
reports,
board
He's picked up the scent.
naked.
Gav's gone to a fair bit of trouble for you. The least you can do is hear the poor bugger
Right,
out.
you're the fish.
He's going to meet us at the King's Fall. Pack your stuff. We'll leave as soon as you're ready.
Oh, yeah, the dog is... All right. Do you want to... Oh, before we call it, how about you... So you can go to the blacksmith and craft a better sword. It's the sword you were always looking for.
Make it quick.
Jeez.
So, what'd it be?
Here you go.
Just 5 extra damage.
Yeah, but it looks like...
Not bad, if I
Looks
do
like
say so
hers.
myself.
See?
Yeah, you're right, actually.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll call it there. That was a lot to unpack on there. Yeah, we popped as an icon. We stopped Garuda. we saw Bahamut and Odin just like out of nowhere, just boom. And I think that's 7 icons now. So we have Titan, Shiva, Bahamut,
If it
Odin,
doesn't count.
Ramu, Garuda.
The only ones would be Leviathan and
I'm missing
one of
that, you know,
Phoenix.
Phoenix, yeah. And then Ifrit is the 9th one, so we're missing one. So it could be the Moogle King. It could be Leviathan. Leviathan's always a good choice, but yeah, I don't think there's one for water, so that would make sense. But we'll see. But yeah, so that was the end of this episode. I think a lot to unpack there. Now we got to figure out the next one, what Clive's motivation will be. But
Yeah,
until
so
then,
if you stuck so long to watch our stuff, thank you.
thank you so much for keeping on with the series, and we'll keep putting them out there because this game is a lot of fun. So bye bye for now.